Morning students. In the previous video we have completed our worksheet number 11. Today we are going to start from worksheet number 12. The pictures given below show what Nikki did yesterday. Taking clues from the box given below, complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you. So there are pictures also. From these pictures we are supposed to write like this. Nikki woke up at 7:15 a.m. These are the clues given here and these are the pictures. So after seeing the clues and the picture, Nikki had her breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Then Nikki went to school at 8 a.m. Then number 4, Nikki had her lunch at 1 p.m. Then Nikki came back to school at 4:30 p.m. Nikki had her dinner at 8 p.m. Then number 7, Nikki went to bed at 9 p.m. Now students, we have worksheet number 13. Read the following example. Cinderella's stepsisters wore new dresses at the party. Cinderella did not wear a new dress at the party. So likewise we are supposed to change it into negative sentence by using did not. Okay. Past, negative, past. Given below are some things that Cinderella's stepsisters did whereas she did not do. Taking hints from the above example, complete the following statements. The first one has been done for you. Cinderella's stepsisters went to the king's party. Cinderella did not go to the king's party. Here students, when we use did not, we use first form of the verb. Instead of went, we are using go. Okay, you should remember it. Now, we will practice these things only. Cinderella's stepsisters ate. This is past form of the verb. Ate delicious food. Cinderella did not eat, present. Okay, delicious food. Because in one sentence only at one time we use past. Cinderella's stepsisters went to sleep late in the night. Cinderella did not go to sleep late in the night. Cinderella's stepsisters woke up late in the morning. Cinderella did not wake wake up late in the morning. Cinderella's stepsisters fought with their mother. Cinderella did not fight with her mother. Cinderella's stepsisters got plenty of money to spend. Cinderella did not get plenty of money to spend. Cinderella's stepsisters met their friends frequently. Cinderella did not meet her friends frequently. Cinderella's stepsisters spent money freely. Cinderella did not spend money freely. Did you notice that all the sentences that you have written are negative sentences? So students, these are all negative sentences. Fine. We do not use the past tense of the verb with did. Okay. I have told you that when we are using this did, we use present form of the verb, not the past one. Here also, sister bought, past form, but here we use did and then it is changed into present form. Okay students. Now worksheet number 14. Given below is the picture of the guest room where the thief who stole the necklace stayed. Okay. Observe the picture carefully and write your observations in the space given below. You may take help from the verbs given in the box. Do not forget to use did not in your observations. The first one has been done for you. Now students, these are the hints here. Close the door, switch off the fan, etc. Now, he did not close the door. We are supposed to put negative here. Then switch off the fan. He did not switch off the fan. He did not pack the suitcase. He did not eat the ice cream. He did not shut the window. He did not drink the cola. He did not read the newspaper. He did not throw away the banana peels. He did not wipe the floor clean. You know, these sentences are for your practice, so that you can become familiar how you can write negative sentences in simple past form. Okay, now we have worksheet number 15. In the box given below, regular verbs and irregular verbs have got mixed. Students, regular verbs जिनके past में ed या फिर d ऐड होगा, irregular verbs जो बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाती हैं. ओके, वी आर सपोज टू फाइंड फ्रॉम देयर. तो आई हैव डन इट फॉर यू. Regular verbs: look, looked, pray, prayed, divide, divided, drop, dropped, study, studied, enjoy, enjoyed, carry, carried, call, called, worry, worried. Irregular verbs: write, wrote, feel, felt, take, took, ride, rode, buy, bought, build, built, forget, forgot, eat, ate, flow, flew. So these two I have left for you. You can find out and put them in a proper column. Okay students. Now students, worksheet number 16, a theft in the palace. A very valuable necklace was stolen from the Royal Museum while the dance party was going on. The police was able to catch the thief. The thief stayed at the palace guest room and hid himself inside the museum before the security guard closed it. He cut the alarm wire and stole the necklace. He used various things kept in the museum to commit the robbery. After stealing the necklace, he hid it inside a box in the guest room. These are the pictures here. Now you are supposed to observe the museum carefully and these things. Then you are supposed to write dialogues here. Okay, examples are given. Police officer: why you steal necklace? So it will be changed, why did you steal the necklace? Thief: I steal for money. So we will change it into past form, I stole it for money. Police officer: when did you steal it? Thief: I stole it while the dance party was going on. Police officer: when did you enter the museum? Question mark. Thief: I entered the museum before the security guard closed it. Police officer: where did you stay before entering the museum? Thief: I stayed at the palace guest room. Police officer: what did you do before stealing the necklace? Thief: I cut the alarm wire. Police officer: where did you hide the necklace? Thief: I hid it inside a box in the guest room. Now students, we have worksheet number 17. Read the following extract taken from the best birthday in my English reader. Put all the regular verbs in the box and all the irregular verbs in the circle. So students, regular verbs here I have found out: study, die, call, believe, look, spot, come, carry, tie, recognize, open, start. And irregular verbs: stand, do, has, bring, read. Okay students. Now students, do it yourself. So this paragraph is not edited. We will underline the errors and then we will write the correct words. While a Goddard's man was tending his goats, here Goddard, okay, in a pasture, he see is wrong here, we will put past, saw a number of wild goats mingled with his flock. He drived, so drive underline, drove all the gods home and putted them in the pen together. Put it wrong, put. Put. It will remain the same. The next day was stormy. So the Goddard did not took the gods out as usual. Take. Instead he fed. He gave his own flock enough food to save. Then he gave. He thought, leave. Then students, next one, again fill in the blanks we have. When the weather improved ब्रैकेट तो हमने improved में change किया, so past form हमने लिखनी है. The Goddard led all the gods to pasture, but when they reached, the gods broke away from the flock and scampered. He shouted. He shouted, and then turned, and then said, treated, arrived. Like that you will fill and read it thoroughly. Okay students, now I am going to tell you about your paper pattern, that when you are going to have your exam, 50 marks paper will be there. Okay, then student, first question will be comprehension. Okay, comprehension. Then you will have writing task and grammar also. Okay, grammar will come from your English practice book chapter 1 2 only. Then students, you will have literature, and in literature you will get questions like डायलॉग आपको दे देंगे, हु सेड दीज लाइन्स और हु इज द स्पीकर, इस तरह के 2 क्वेश्चन आएंगे. देन यू विल हैव 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन, 3 4 आपके पास 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन आएंगे. Then students, you will have a long writing task again in the literature portion. Okay students, so आपने इसी तरह से अपने आप को प्रिपेयर रखना है पेपर के लिए. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, हैव ए नाइस डे. और कोई भी अगर चैप्टर आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं हुए हैं, दैट विल बी अपलोडेड टू योर DAV वेबसाइट बिफोर 30th. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कीप चेकिंग दैट. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.